earlier, yung pong presentation ng DOE, no, yung nakita naman natin yung supply, current, yung buffer stock. Ano ba ito? Talagang what we need right now is yung sabi nga natin dito nung start nung hearing. We want to see the real picture, no? Not sugar coated. So ang ano natin si Yusek Sandy kanina nag-present that there are still about nasa 60 days pa, for example, for diesel, for gasoline, yung ating pong stocks. Yung LPG lang yata yung medyo low, no? So, meaning hanggang gano'n, hanggang 60 days lang po yung ating pong stock.
Well, sa gasoline, I think it's 53. Yeah. And then mga 48, 47 days. 45 sa diesel. So that's still healthy situation. Yung LPG lang, kasi iba yung flow ng produkto eh. Kaya when we did the regulation and the law, 7 days actually ang mandated inventory nila. Pero iba kasi yung logistical flow ng product itself. But currently, 3 times ang stock ng LPG, nasa 23 days sila below the regulatory minimum requirement.
So nasa requirement pa tayo during normal times. But now that it's abnormal times, ang problema natin dito, Mr. Chair, yung po, sa Strait of Hormuz, hindi makapasok, 10% lang yata ang nakakalusot. So yung restocking o yung resupply, no, of fuel, how do we consider that? Do we consider that? Tapos with the current consumption, parang normal pa rin, no? Kahit parang nag-a-adjust lang yung tao na mas mahal ng konti, pero the way I see it, nag-a-adjust din yung iba, nakakapag-adjust din. So, with the current consumption, talagang 53 days na lang. Kaya lang problema, nabanggit kanina ni Chairman, no? Yung pong resupply, no? Yung replenishment of our stocks. So, yun ang natin until when? That we do not know. Sige.
Mr. Chair, for example, I talked to the Minister of Energy of South Korea yesterday, and asking for to honor our orders. We have long-term contracts. There are oil companies. They have assured us. The same goes with the other countries, Mr. Chair, like Japan, in fact, even China. Thailand is another matter. South Korea is so iniisa-isa namin yan. But we have been assured by the next delivery, but that's assuming that the things stay the same, stay the same next month. So they can assure us as far as things are how it is right now. But if things escalate and prolong, then we have to address that all over again. And that's why PNOC is trying to diversify the sourcing, like US, hopefully Canada, South America, and others. Pero yun nga, the uncertainty will always be there every next round of orders.